Welcome to Content Reading 6193. I want to just review some of the high points of the syllabus, but I certainly expect you to read through it and then email me and state that you have read and understand the syllabus. This course focuses on strategies for teaching reading through the content areas with a focus on diversity, struggling learners, and research in reading and comprehending nonfiction and content area text. Please remember that this course is about content area text and nonfiction text. Because this is an 8-week online course, you can expect to spend approximately 15 to 16 hours per week completing the assignments. Here are course objectives and how they relate to standards. I'm not going to read those, excuse me. I'm not going to read those to you. These are the learning objectives broken down into each week. Our textbooks. I call the Janet Allen texts flip charts. The tools for teaching content literacy and more tools for teaching content literacy. These books have all kinds of strategies that you can model for students and then do them together. Gradually begin giving them some independence with the strategy, and then finally they're able to do that strategy themselves. Subjects Matter, Exceeding Standards Through Powerful Content Area Reading, the second edition by Harvey Daniels and Zemmelman. What's his first name? Stephen Zemmelman. These are 3 books that you will want to put in your professional library. They are excellent. Online course attendance. If you've taken an online course before with Mount Vernon, you know that each week you have to have posted at least one time throughout the week to be counted present. That could be a response to a peer. That could be an assignment. That could be a initial forum post. But you need to post once a week in each week. You can work ahead. That's fine if that's what you need to do. But please remember, in order to be counted present for week 1, you need to submit something next week in week 1 from Monday at midnight to Saturday at 11:59 p.m. If for some reason you are absent, you can have 2 absences in this course, but the 3rd absence gives you a non-passing grade. If there is a medical emergency, please let me know as soon as possible. Late work policy. Each day it's late, there's a 10% reduction in the total number of points possible. If you have what you think is a significant reason for not turning in your work on time, please communicate that to me before the due date to determine whether other arrangements need to be made. Your assignments are due on Saturday at 11:59 p.m. There is no extra credit. Here is a description of assignments, discussion forums, PowerPoint response activities. In week 5, you have a dyslexia reading strategy lesson that is due. There will be a separate video about that. Week 7, you have a research paper and presentation due. There will also be a video about that. Your final exam is week 8. Please keep in mind about student academic integrity. And as this is an online class, you are expected to be interacting with your peers through the forums. Please remember that we are all adults and it's okay to disagree if we disagree. If you have any accommodations that you need, it is your responsibility to get a hold of Amy Brown at the university and get documentation for those accommodations. I do not get accommodations for the students. That's your job. But please go back through the syllabus, read it. Sometime during the first week of class, email me and let me know that you have read and understand the syllabus. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.